Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the DPI of any image in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have opened an image in Photoshop and I want to change the DPI of this image. So go to image and image size, or you can apply the shortcut from Ctrl, Alt and I from the keyboard. So here we can see the resolution is 72. We will change it to 300 dpi. Simply write 300. Make sure the resample is selected, otherwise the aspect ratio will not maintained. Click on the OK button. The DPI is progressing. If you press Ctrl Alt I from the keyboard, we can see the DPI is 300. This is how we can change the DPI in Photoshop of any images. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.